Shein Planner 2026, How to Use It to Stack Coupons and Never Pay Full Price. If you shop on Shein regularly, the biggest mistake is buying something the moment you see it. A better strategy is to plan your purchases around coupons, points, sales, and shipping offers so you can lower the final checkout price instead of relying on one discount. Start by checking the coupon center before adding everything to your cart. Shein offers different types of coupons, and many have minimum spend requirements or expiration dates. Keep track of the coupons you actually qualify for instead of collecting random codes that won't work on your order. Here's the important part: you generally can't stack multiple coupon codes on the same order. Shein says only one coupon code can be applied per order. However, you may be able to combine that coupon with Shein points and eligible wallet balance. That's where your points calendar becomes useful. Shein's Philippines Points program lets you earn points through activities such as placing orders, writing reviews, daily check-ins, surveys, and other promotions. Points can have different expiration periods, so don't let them sit unused. Before checkout, compare the total with and without your coupon. Then apply your points if they're eligible. Shein's Philippines Points program says 100 points equal $1, and points can be used toward eligible product costs, subject to the applicable limit. You should also watch shipping promotions and Shein Club benefits. Some Shein Club shipping coupons can be used alongside promotional coupons, although their exact rules vary and they can't necessarily be combined with every free shipping promotion. The easiest planner is simple. Week 1, collect points and watch prices. Week 2, check coupons and promotions. Before ordering, remove anything you don't really need and compare your available discounts.